Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum, starting from a weekly time frame. However, before we start, smash the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for the future updates. So 31,500 was extremely important, so I was keep telling in the last few weeks. If you remember, that was the first rejection with a V-shaped recovery. Now in the last 3 weeks, as you can see, nearly 4 weeks, we got stuck below $31,500. So the important support level is going to be $25,000 all the way up to $24,500 are extremely important. Also, that confluence with the daily level as well, if you remember, if we're going to lose, which is early for us to talk about, this type of price action, that will give us a market structure change on the daily time frame, which is, as I said, is a bit early for us to talk about it. Bear market exit was, if we recap, $62,000, 52 all the way up to $48,000, and we saw the last exit chance about $48,000, and we saw a massive dump in the market. Recently, I made an update when the price came at around here, and with this recovery, most of the people expected that was a low. However, I made an update. We haven't seen the low yet, and we have other levels in this support box. You can refer to my pinned tweet. And then, as I said, in the beginning of this year, as long as we're going to stay above this consolidation, $18,000 and $18,500, which was a daily level, also confluence above $19,000, $19,200, and we will see a trend change based on a higher time frame. Since we lost $60,000 and $52,000, daily time frame went heavily under the bear's control, and as soon as we claimed $18,500 and $19,200, we saw a bullish trend change based on a daily time frame. So from the bear market exit, we saw over 70% dump in the market. However, once we had a trend change based on a higher time frame, daily and then weekly, again we saw massive 70% pump for the spot back holders. Moving on to a daily time frame, first important level is going to be this daily, and then last level is going to be the weekly support level. If we're going to lose this level, it will create a panic in the market, and the next level is going to be around 27,000 all the way up to $26,200. However, as I said, it's slightly early for us to talk about these levels, and we've got important resistance levels. That's a daily, which is 31,760, and then the next one, which is a serious level, that's $32,635. At the moment, daily is a bit struggling, as you can see. Since the 22nd of June, in the last 20 days, we are consolidating at around here, and one after another, we're just getting rejected below $31,500. So if we're going to lose this daily, highly likely the price action will lose the monthly as well, and then the next support is going to be weekly. That's going to be $28,100. So where we have a confluence at around this area, that's going to be 0.618, the golden pocket as well, and another confluence on the daily time frame plus on the Fibonacci level, value area low. And at the same time, as you can see, point of control at around weekly level. Losing this level weekly plus point of control, this time we may lose the daily time frame, and price action may come all the way up to $29,000 and $28,900. So based on the daily time frame, this level is extremely important. On the daily time frame, we can see clear picture above 18,000 and above 19,200, bullish confirmation on the daily time frame all the way up to $25,000 V-shaped recovery, and then we'll reach to the target number one, which was 30,000, and then the next target, second target, was $32,000. So we'll reach all the way up to $31,500. That's still acceptable for the swing as well as for the spot back holders. We saw massive from $19,200, $500, over 60% with the current price action, over 55% profit for the spot back holders. So as I said, daily time frame still heavily under the bull's control, as long as we do not lose the levels that I mentioned above. That will be around $25,000. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. ETH analysis, as expected in the last video, just I made an update over Twitter. So that was 1900 was expected rejection, but as you can see, we got stuck between 0.67 as well as the point of control, which was 1850. That's a value area low, as you can see, perfectly holding in the last 3 dump. And we saw yesterday slightly pump as expected in the last video that I mentioned, 1900 you have to be aware of, and we saw decent dump in the market for the scalpers. So this level is extremely important, and we've got another confluence with a Fibonacci level, local Fibonacci level, if you're going to take it from the mid of June all the way above 1950, and you will get this flip levels. So as I said, still I'm holding my bias. These levels may be taken as long as we do not claim 1925 and 1930, and we can see the price towards the upside. However, the price action is a bit weak. Also BTC confirming it, losing this level, first place, that's going to be, we're going to sweep these lows 1800, we can dump all the way up to $1750, $1760, and this is another confluence, as you can see, point of control and a value area low. So not much change on the ETH. However, since we had a trend change, as you can see, we reached to the target 1950, and the next target was 2000, but we reached all the way up to 1975, and we saw rejection right from here. Overall, we saw over 10% pump in the market. Let's move on quickly on the scalping setup that I shared on the 7th, and we consolidated over 3 days in this area between 30,300 all the way up to $29,900. So as soon as price came at around here, and we had a, as you can see, we had a value area low, I started taking a scalp long, and I updated, retested it. We didn't take this low, and I was expecting price to go all the way up to this level. However, there was a lot of resistance. I made an update over Twitter, and as soon as I exited with a 3.5R, as you can see, this trade, and the price started pumping. However, the secondary scenario was this level, break out the resistance. Also, we had a 0.618, 2 point of control, and then value area highs as well. So as soon as we broke these levels, as you can see, and we saw decent pump in the market, and that was over 3R trade again. So these are 2 trades which was successful, which I skipped this trade. However, that was the trade that I took it, and I shared with you all in advance. But interestingly, yesterday I shared the liquidation data as well from all the exchanges. This might be good educational for most of you. Exchange liquidation data, 95 to 100% of the traders in the last 4 hours, as you can see, this is a 4 hour, and then all of them between 95 to 100% got liquidated. Why? Because the market psychology, they were shorting this rally to the resistance. And as I said, this is a half an hour chart. Before it closed, 1 minute before, as you can see, hourly, as well as the 30-minute chart close, 30-minute bearish engulfing, 1 hour shooting star, and then hammer, whatever you call it, both are closing below resistance, which is a rejection, obviously. And as you can see, half an hour chart, you've got bullish engulfing plus this rejection, both are closed below this resistance. 1 hour chart, as you can see, that's another hammer or pin bar, and we saw decent dump in the market. And again, we didn't reach to this resistance, that's all the resistance, and we saw another decent rejection. If you want this type of scalps and swing setups, you can get in touch with me for 101 masterclass via Telegram at Magnate8. BTC under 4 hour, as you can see, rejection after rejection right from 0.618, the golden pocket. Also, I mentioned that in this region full of resistance and support with the volume profiles as well. And as soon as we lose this level as well as the daily, I doubt that monthly will hold, and then we can see all the way up to the first level is going to be $28,100. The next level is going to be, that you have to be aware of, $27,000 and $27,100. So this is another level. Based on a lower time frame, without breaking and claiming above this daily, that's going to be 31,500. It's going to be early for us to talk about the levels above us. That's going to be 32, 34, as well as the $36,000. It's in a no man's land in the last 20 days. Above this daily, hold it, and then we can claim 32 and above. However, losing this weekly as well as the daily, that's going to give us this target level. That will be 28,000, the first target. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.